How to use SEMrush for local SEO. If you're trying to get your business discovered in local searches, SEMrush has some amazing tools that can help. Start by entering your business name or website into it's a listing management tool. SEMrush will automatically audit your current online presence across directories like Google, Yelp, Facebook, and more. You'll instantly see where your business is listed, where it isn't, and if any information is incorrect. Next, use the HANA position tracking tool with local targeting. This allows you to monitor how your keywords rank in specific cities, zip codes, or even on mobile versus desktop. You can also spy on local competitors and see what keywords they're targeting in your area. And don't skip the one-page SEO checker, Nesta Wistable 1, which gives local specific recommendations to improve visibility. SEMrush even offers suggestions for gaining more local backlinks. If you want to dominate local search, SEMrush gives you everything you need. And for easier insights and keyword breakdowns, you can always use SEMrush to simplify your local SEO strategy. Join SEMrush for free. Link is in the description.